Well, just like the last video, I had to confess my love for wrestling to you when I was little. This video I have another confession. As much as I did not want to admit this, growing up, I was a huge fan of the Spice Girls. I know some of you are young and you might not remember who they were, so you can go on, I guess, Wikipedia and figure them out. But for those who do remember the Spice Girls, yes, sadly, I really enjoyed listening to Spice Girls when they came on the radio when I was a teenager, and just, so I'm embarrassed by that, so I confess that to you today. And if you remember the Spice Girls, probably their most famous song was, I think it was Wannabe or something like that. In the chorus, I'm not going to sing it for you, I'm going to spare myself more embarrassment, but it went, so tell me what you want, what you really, really want, and then we go back, I'll tell you what I want, what I really, really want. So, see how well I can transition to this. I'm sure you're wondering what this has to do with anything. So the last few weeks, as you know, we've been going through the book of 1 John, and it's been a great book, an incredible book. It's a book that really confronts us on sin. It confronts us on light and darkness. And I know in the church that there's been a little stirring right now. What is light? What is darkness? What is sin? What is unrighteousness? And it's just incredible. It's just great to see God's Spirit move among us, to see where we are when it comes to holiness and sin issues like that. So I want to caution you in some ways in this pursuit of light and darkness. Yes, obviously we should be looking for sin and looking for ways to weed sin out, but what can happen is that we can become very inwardly focused on ourselves. We can get very inwardly focused on sin. Sin can almost become a thing that's legalistic, meaning that our whole Christianity is going around not doing certain things, and we feel like that is how we live the Christian life, is not doing sin. And obviously that's a part of the Christian life, but more than that is not what we're not pursuing, sin, but what we are pursuing, who we're pursuing, Christ, Jesus, and His righteousness, pursuing Him, pursuing great fellowship with Him. In the scriptures we were told to flee from sin, but we're also to pursue Him. So for us, as we are walking in the light, as if we are not living a life of sin, it is because we are following Christ. So for us, as we think about life, it's not what we don't want, but as we go back to the Spice Girls now, here's my transition. So what do we want? What do we really, really, really want in life? We want Jesus. That's what we want. So for you this week, as you're thinking about your life and how to live your life, thinking, how are you pursuing Christ? How are you spending time with Him in His Word? Are you getting a way to pray with Him? Are you finding ways to sing praises to His holy name? Are you sharing His good news with those who have yet to believe? These things, pursuing Him. So more than not pursuing sin is, yes, we don't want to pursue sin, but more than that, we want to pursue Jesus. So that's my encouragement to you this week. I hope you have a great week. This week is Resurrection Sunday, Easter, so let's be mindful of that, and this might be an opportunity for us to invite neighbors and friends and family members to church because it is Easter. So let's be very mindful of that this week. So praying for you. Have a good week. Bye.